sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Chevrolet Equinox. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, a trip computer, rear wipers, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.